This video shows how to add fasteners and stack in an assembly with Solid Edge. Open the fixture assembly. This is where we have to add fasteners to fix the location pins and rest pad to the fixture plate. In Solid Edge, we have a feature called Faster System, which makes fixing parts in Solid Edge simple and efficient. Select the edges and opposite face where the fastener has to be inserted. A window dialog box opens with automatic fastener selection which fits in that area. You can see M6 hexagon headed bolt that has been selected. Ensure standard based on your requirement. Add selected bolt to the place in the assembly by clicking on Add Fastener option and specify bolt length as 20 mm. You can also save this fastener by specifying name to reuse this again. Click OK. Selected fasteners are placed into the location pin. To place fasteners in the next location pin, select edges and face. Now you can reuse the fastener which you have saved previously. In Solid Edge, you can even insert fastener stacks in an assembly. Select edges and opposite face where the stack has to be placed. M8 bolt has selected automatically. Click on the Add Fasteners to select bolt. Select bolt length as 40 mm. In selection type, click on Top Stack Components, select M8 washer and click on Add Fastener. Select on Bottom Stack Components, select M8 nut and click on Add Fastener. Like this, fastener stack has been prepared with bolt, washer and nut. Save this stack by giving name to reuse it again. Click OK. Now if you observe, selected stack has been placed in an assembly. Click on Finish and add Cancel to close the command. Take section view to get clear visualization of the inserted fasteners. Solid Edge with synchronous technology makes design development and inserting fastener system very easy. Thank you for watching our video. We hope that it was beneficial to you. In case of any queries or any assistance, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.